We've covered location, costs, and how to make the decision. Now, this might be the most important episode for buyers who are still on the fence. Schools, amenities, and what there is to actually do in and around Lakewood Ranch on a regular Tuesday and not during a model home tour. Real life. Let's get into it. So what are the schools like? For family buyers, this is often the deciding question, and Lakewood Ranch delivers one of the strongest answers of any community on Florida's Gulf Coast. The community spans both Manatee and Sarasota counties, and both districts have A-rated schools serving the area. We've got B.D. Gullett Elementary, Dan Nolan Middle School, and Lakewood Ranch High School are consistently among the top-rated public schools in the entire region. Now, for families relocating from high-performing school districts in the Northeast or Midwest, these schools hold up to that comparison, and there are still new schools coming, including the Rangeland High School. One thing I flag for every family buyer before they fall in love with a specific neighborhood: your school assignment depends on your address, not just on being in Lakewood Ranch generally. So Manatee County and Sarasota County have different school zones, and the line between them runs right through the middle of the community. So if private schools is on the table, you've got Out of Door Academy, Classical Academy of Sarasota, Cardinal Mooney Catholic, and Sarasota Christian are also strong options in the area. And yes, we have school choice in both counties, but not if they're full. So before you commit to a neighborhood, verify exactly which schools that address feeds into. I do this for every family I work with because it matters. What's actually included in the amenities and what costs extra? So this one matters because the marketing materials make everything sound included, and the reality is a little more nuanced than the brochure suggests. So here's what's generally included in your HOA. So access to your neighborhood's private amenity package. That means your community's pool, fitness center, clubhouse, pickleball courts, and whatever else your specific neighborhood offers. The town center, so Lakewood Ranch Main Street and Waterside Place, are publicly accessible to all residents. Now, the trail system, parks, and community events are available to everyone regardless of which neighborhood you live in. Now, here's what costs extra. Basically golf. So the Lakewood Ranch Golf and Country Club requires a separate membership. It's not an equity club, you don't own a share, but the membership fees are a real additional cost that catch some buyers off guard. Now, some communities like Esplanade Azario and Calusa Country Club build golf or lifestyle memberships into their community structure, but verify the specific details before you assume anything is included. My standing advice is before you make an offer on any home in Lakewood Ranch, get a complete breakdown of every monthly and annual fee attached to that property. HOA, CDD, membership fees, anything else. I do this for every buyer I represent, so there are no surprises at the closing table. What is there to do outside of the neighborhood? This is the question I love answering because I think it's where Lakewood Ranch surprises people the most. And it's the thing you generally cannot appreciate until you've spent real time here. So let's start inside the community. Lakewood Ranch has over 150 miles of trails for walking, running, and biking. Not walking paths around a retention pond, like actual connected trail infrastructure that winds through the whole community. There are 13 parks and recreation areas, a polo club, the premier sports campus, which hosts national youth tournaments year-round, and a community activities program that runs hundreds of events annually. On any given week, there's something going on. This is not an exaggeration. The two town centers, Lakewood Ranch Main Street and Waterside Place, function as genuine neighborhood hubs. So Main Street has been there for years and has that established local feel. Waterside Place is newer, lakefront, and has become one of the best farmers market in the entire country, ranked #1 in the nation. Live music on Fridays and Saturdays, monthly performing arts series, movies in the park, food, events, and people out and about. It has a real energy to it. Now zoom out. You've got downtown Sarasota roughly 20 to 40 minutes away, depending on where on the ranch you are. You've got a world-class art scene, Van Wezel Performing Arts Hall, incredible restaurants, St. Erman's Circle. University Town Center, one of the premier retail and dining destinations in all of Southwest Florida, is practically at the front door of Lakewood Ranch. You've got Nathan Benderson Park, the Moat Sea Aquarium, Pop Stroke, all right there. And then the beaches, Siesta Key, Lido Key, Anna Maria Island, Longboat Key, they're all just a short drive away. So what I tell buyers is this: Lakewood Ranch is a community where you can be as busy or as quiet as you want to be. If you want a full calendar of events, classes, clubs, and social programming, it's there. If you want to ride your bike on a trail at 6 a.m. and not see anyone until you're ready, that's there too. The infrastructure supports both versions of that life, and the combination is genuinely rare. That's schools, amenities, and what life actually looks like in Lakewood Ranch. So if you've watched all of these question and answer episodes, you now know more about this community than almost all the buyers who've already visited in person. I'm Tana Showalter with Rogue Realty. If you're ready to talk specifics, which neighborhoods, which builders, what's available in your budget right now, reach out. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.